Hello everyone, another tutorial from Sewing Princess, and I will transform this polo top into a crop top. So I think this is the easiest tutorial I've ever made, so if you want to know how, just keep on watching. So first, decide how short you want your crop top to be. Mine is below the third button. Then I marked a straight line and cut it. And then I hem the raw edges by sewing it with the twin needle. If you're using a twin needle, you can just fold it once and sew it with a straight stitch. But if you don't have a twin needle, you can use a regular needle and fold the fabric twice and sew it with a straight stitch. And that's it. This is the final polo crop top. Please stay tuned to my next tutorial how I made these overlap jeans. So if you like watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out to my next video. Bye!